everyone, good afternoon, it's me, Tanya. Yeah, it's my lunch break. It's 12:30 Tuesday. I'm working from home. And so for today's video, actually this is the second video that I'm recording. The first one was when I was trying to apply this lipstick. Yeah. It's a pretty good lipstick. I think it's long lasting. It's matte. Now, let's see what we've got inside our magical makeup can. So yeah, you got it right. It's my old brow powder from BYS. Ever since I came here in UAE, I did not buy any brow products because I still have this. It's 2 years old, but it's good, still good. I have been using this since senior college days. Holy crap. I see a message. Yeah, let's comb our hair. Then as you can see, I have my little props there. That little magical light. I found it, this one, the angled brush for brow powder. So, should I let you see my very old brow powder? From here, the black, and then let's mix with brown. Then voila, we're done. And then I'll take a bit of brown, okay? And then let's do some nose contour, because as you can see, my nose is, my nose. Yeah. I guess it works with wonders as well. So last step before I go and cook some rice is to curl our lashes. I guess that's it. I won't be applying any mascara because the one that I have from Essence, it's not really working for me.